In front of me is Xiaomi 14 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. Begin by launching Settings. Following that, scroll down just a bit to access Notifications and Status bar. Then click on App Notifications and select Sort By at the top. Now tap on the best option for you to apply it. In my case, sort by number of notifications. Finally, by tapping on blue switcher next to an app, you can switch off all notifications from it. To turn them back on, hit the same, now gray switcher. You can also just tap on any app available on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!